All right, so I got cut off on that last video there. So finding the probability of dependent events where things change, where there's one less possible outcome to look at. Sorry. You're doing just before, like before, because we're seeing the word and tells us to use multiplication. We're finding the probability of the first event and then multiplying that by the probability of the second event after taking into account what has already happened. So let's look at example 1 here. Decide whether the events are independent or dependent and explain why. Spinning a spinner once and then rolling a number cube. Are those independent or dependent events? Spinning a spinner has nothing to do with rolling the number cube. So these are independent because they have no effect. B, selecting a marble from a bag and then selecting another, keywords without replacing the first. Those keywords of without replacement tell me that this is a dependent event based on what we just learned. Dependent, the outcomes change. Part C, picking a plum from a bowl, replacing it, and then picking an apple. Is that independent or dependent? That would be independent. Because again, you can see that keyword here, replacing it. I'm taking it and I'm putting it back, so that doesn't change anything. And there's example 1.